Welcome to SatX. Cambridge Math 7, we are starting test for divisibility, second part, exercise 1.5. We are starting from question 5. So one by one we try to solve this one. Our first question, choose any 4 digit. So let's choose, suppose 0, 3, 6, 9. Here is 4 digit, right? 4 digits. Second question, if it is possible, arrange your digits to make a number that is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So first we have to arrange this one. So 0, 3, 6, 9, we can arrange this one by 3, 9, 6, 0. Now let's check, is it divisible by 2 or not? Ends with 0, so it can be divisible by 2 and 5, right? Digit sum, look, 3 plus 9 plus 6 plus 0 equals to 18, so it can be divisible by 3. We already find out this number can be divisible by 2. Now we are also find it's also divisible by 3. So once 2 and 3 divisible by any number, that number also can be divisible by 6. Okay, last 2 digit, look, here is 3960. Last 2 digit is 60. 60 can be divisible by 4, so whole the number also divisible by 4. Very simple. So 3960 is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our question was, if it is possible, arrange your digit to make a number that is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3960 is an ideal example which is divisible by everything. So number 5 done. Number 6, show that 924 is divisible by 11. So we have to find out a number is divisible by 11 so we have to find out any number which is divisible by 11 is or not. 94 and the 11 test. So we have to now test. The test name is alternating sum. Alternating sum is a very interesting types. Question 6. Show that 924 is divisible by 11. So we have to follow a smart rule which is called alternating sum. How? Look, here is 924 from reverse, 4 minus 2 plus 9 equals to 11. So result, if become 11 or 0, we have to understand that number can be divisible by 11. How? Since 11 is a multiple of 11, therefore the number 924 is divisible by 11. It's a very smart thinking. Now let's think, suppose a number like 121, we know we can divide by this one 11. The answer will be 11. But you don't know the multiplication or you know the 11 times. So how you can understand 1 to 1 can be divisible by 11 or not? So first 1 minus 2 plus 1. So what is the result? 1 plus 1 is a 2. Minus 2 equals to 0. I already told, once a result becomes 0 or 11, that number should be divisible by 11. So next example. Here is 161084 divisible by 11? Give a reason for your answer. So similar alternative summary. So first 4, then minus 8, then plus 0, then minus 1, then plus 6, then minus 1. It means plus, minus, like this. After making summation, we get 0, and we know since the result is 0, the number is divisible by 11. Very interesting thing. Question 7. Use a test for divisibility test to show that 2583 is divisible by 7 and 3852 is not divisible by 7. So by this part we will learn which number can be divisible by 7. Use 7 test, which is subtract twice the last digit from the rest repeatedly. How? Look, here is 2583. So 258 is 3 digit and last digit we will make twice. So 258, 2 times 3 is a 6. So 258 minus 6 is a 252. So again, last digit is 2 and first 2 digit is 25. So 25 minus 2 times 2, because we already mentioned subtract twice the last digit. Okay, so 25 minus 2 times 2 equals to 4. It means 25 minus 4 equals to 21. 21 is a divisible by 7 because 7 times 3 is 21. Now let's example. Suppose we can write suppose this one 77, right? 77. So it's a very simple. It can be divisible by 7. It's a very simple thing. So we can make let's see what can we do, like 13, not 13, 112 times 7. We know this is 7 times 2 is a 14. It means 4. 7 times 1 is a 7 plus 1, it will be 8, and 7 times 1 is a 7. So 784, does it divisible by 7? We know, but you don't know the multiplication. So 784, we can write first 2 digits 78 minus last digit 2 times. So 2 times 4. So 7, 8 minus what? 8 equals to what? 70. So 70 can be divisible by what? 7. Therefore 784 also divisible by 7. Next one, number B. So here is 3852. So last 2 digit is 2 and rest of the digit is 385, then minus 2 times 2. So 385, 2 times 2 is a 4. It means 381. Here mention subtract twice the last digit from the rest repeatedly. So it means 381. So 38 minus last digit 1 twice, it means 2. So 38 minus 2 equals to 36. But this 36 is not a multiple of 7 because 7 times 3 is a 21. 7 times 4 is a 28. 7 times 5 is a 35. But 7 times 6 is a 42. But 36 is not a multiple of 7. So it's not divisible by 7. Very simple. No more today. Next video, it means third part, we will start number 8, which is very important and also interesting. So please subscribe my channel, which is SatX. By this channel I'm trying to solve Cambridge Math 7 all the math. Now we are in exercise 1.5 and very soon we will complete this exercise. So till then, take care, keep practice, and also don't forget share with others. Thank you.